Now let us look at the sitting forward bend, Paschimottanasana. You lift both arms up, and then as you exhale, you bend forward and bend down. Let's have a look at what are the common mistakes and also your own degree of difficulty as you do the posture. Maybe you cannot bend so far down as she's doing. Maybe because your legs are stiff, you can only do so much. Is this all right? Yes, of course it is all right. Maybe you can't even hold the leg that far. Maybe you can only hold up to your knee. This is also fine. One common mistake that we notice is that the toes are pointing outwards. You want to point your toes towards the face. And sometimes, because you want to reach forward, you bend your knees. This is not good. You want to keep the knees flat on the floor, and then whatever your flexibility of the back and legs allows you, you hold the posture like that. Another common mistake is that you really try to reach forward and your shoulders are tense. You want to kind of relax your shoulders, keep your hands as comfortably as you can by bending your elbows, and then breathe freely. If you are able to breathe in the posture, then you are really in the asana, Sthiram Sukham Asana. You are holding a steady, comfortable pose. It is not a posture of achievement. You're not trying to achieve something. You're trying to be stable, steady, and breathe properly. So, this is the sitting forward bend. Mostly, you want to be really relaxed and breathing properly in each of the postures, including the sitting forward bend.